Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn the difference between floor and ground in English. 1. Floor. Use floor when you talk about the inside of a building. Examples. The floor is clean. Please sit on the floor. There are 3 floors in this building. Tip. Think indoors, inside houses, offices, or shops. 2. Ground. You use ground when you talk about the outside surface of the earth. Examples. The children are playing on the ground. There is grass on the ground. Be careful, the ground is wet. Tip. Think outdoors, soil, grass, dirt, or open space. Let's do a quick comparison. Word where to use these. Floor is inside buildings. I dropped my keys on the floor. Ground is outside or outdoors. The dog is lying on the ground. So remember, floor are inside, ground outside. Easy, right? Polite phrases to practice. Can you please wipe the floor? The ground is slippery. Watch your step. I love sitting on the floor and reading. The children are running on the ground. And that's it. Now you know when to use floor and ground. Practice these phrases, and soon you'll speak English confidently everywhere, indoors and outdoors.